Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is a super quick unboxing of a small item that I recently picked up. I am just going crazy over these types of items these days. For some of them, I missed out on them when they initially came out. I'm gonna say maybe 10 years or so ago. So I have just been so excited to find some of these pieces in good condition. So I do own a couple of these in my collection already, but this is a throwback type of style. So I am so excited to be able to add this to my collection. So here is just a quick little sneak peek, very nicely wrapped. And as you can see, this is an accessory. I did pick it up on the pre-loved market and I was so excited. So let's just see what I got. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the Dooney Bourke Retro Cosmetics case, and this is the larger case. I think this measures about 11 inches wide, and it was in pre-loved condition, but she said that it was in perfect condition, and as you can see, it is. I don't see any crumbs, if you will, or anything in this little case. The lettering is all intact. I love these. So anyway, here is just a quick little reveal, and I use these as catch-alls in my bags, which holds pretty much everything, and these are always my go-tos for traveling as well. So really nice little pieces. So here is the retro, and I also have it in the black. I have the smaller and the larger size in this one, and this is the same size as the retro. As you can see here, very nice size cosmetics cases. And I also have a couple of these in the regular DBs here. And what I love about these cosmetics cases is that they go with pretty much everything. Nice travel pieces to use as toiletries as well. So I also wanted to share with you quickly the bracelet that I am wearing. And if you have been following my channel, you know that I do frequent collaborations with the Otter, which is a natural gemstone company who supports ocean and wildlife conservation. And one of the bracelets that I picked up this go around is this beautiful bracelet. Absolutely beautiful. Look how vibrant the colors in this bracelet is. And also what sets them apart is they put their logo right here on the bracelet that is 100% stainless steel, which means it's not going to rust or turn colors. These gemstones, guys, are made of high quality gemstones. I have not had any problems whatsoever with any of the bracelets that I have gotten from them, and they have been so generous enough to offer my viewers a 20% off coupon. I will leave a link in the description box as well as a coupon code where you can check out all the beautiful bracelets that they have. Tons of selections, so you will be able to find something for every season and every occasion. So anyway guys, I just wanted to come to you very quickly and share with you the newest item to my collection, which is this Dooney Bourke Retro Cosmetics case, and obviously in the color clear. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.